Three, two, one.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ramarenisha Putra, students from English Language Education and Study Program Maritime University of Raja Ali Haji. In this video, I will review the journal with the title is The Relationship Between Shyness and Motivation to Speak English of the First Year Students of English Study Program of FKIP UIR Pekanbaru. This journal written by Marhama in 2016. Alright, speaking is one of the four language skills. The purpose of speaking is to convey an idea or message to the listener. To be able to speak correctly, one must know all sorts of language rules. There are some aspects that have great influence in speaking where needed, such as pronunciation, vocabulary, and grammar. In pronunciation, there are three aspects that students should mastery. That is sounds, stress, and intonation or rhythm. If one of them does not run smoothly, it can cause misunderstanding. Besides, it seems vocabulary plays an important role in speaking. We cannot ignore them while we are studying in speaking. In fact, in the English Study Program of FKIP UIR Pekanbaru, some of the students tend to be shy in speaking English in front of the class, even though the students have learned English from elementary school up to senior high school. Based on writer's personal observation and experience, she found some reason why they are passive in speaking or making conversation with friends. They worried about what others think of them in answering the question during the teaching and learning classroom, and they do not have any confidence in themselves. However, since English is not our language, it is hard for them to achieve it. They tend to be shy, in which they feel other students have more skills in speaking English. It can be concluded that students who have a low level of shyness appraise themselves positively and are always optimistic and creative in learning process of speaking. The higher level of shyness, the lower the motivation to speak English students have, and the lower the level of shyness is, the higher the motivation to speak in speaking English will become. Alright, the above facts the above facts are dealing with the motivation problems that often happen to the students that have low motivation. It seems that their motivation to communicate doesn't show their expectancy to engage well in the process of speaking English. And that's why shyness and motivation to speak are very closely tied. The purpose of this journal, the first, is to find out if there is a relationship between shyness and motivation to speak English of the first year student of English Study Program FKIP UIR Pekanbaru. And the second is to know their shyness and their motivation to speak in speaking English. And the last is to know how to the relationship between shyness and the motivation to speak in speaking English. The instrument of this research is questionnaire. The aspect of the student shyness are worry about their think of them, become shy to deal with people from a different social class or to work with more skilled people, and avoid social gathering and usually speak in low voice. The aspect of students' motivation to speak English are integrative and instrumental motivation. The conclusion is there is significant relationship between students' shyness and their motivation to speak English. The higher the level of shyness, the lower motivation to speak, and the lower the level of shyness, and the higher the motivation to speak English will become. Alright, I think that's all from me. I'm sorry if I make a mistake. Thank you for attention and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.